In this video, I will explain Lambda in Excel. Lambda is not like other Excel functions. While using other Excel functions, either we do some calculations or pull some values. But with Lambda, you can create your own reusable Excel function. Now you don't have to write your complex formula again and again. Just develop your Lambda function and use it as built-in Excel function. Let's understand Lambda with some examples. Let's get started. Syntax of Lambda is appearing on your screen. Lambda accepts two arguments, parameter and calculation. If your formula has parameter, use it, but calculation is mandatory. Let us understand Lambda with a simple formula. Suppose we need to add or multiply two numbers. So first, let's start with Lambda. And as we have to add or multiply two numbers, so we need two parameters. Let me take x and y. Now calculation, if we want to add, it will be x plus y, or in case of multiplication, x into y. Let me do it x plus y. So we have completed our Lambda function. The next step is testing. So you can test your Lambda function by opening new bracket and just supply parameters you have mentioned. So for x and y, we need to supply values. Let me supply 5 and 6. Close it and just press enter. So we are getting correct answer 5 plus 6. But as of now, it is not reusable. To make it reusable, just delete this. Now we are getting calc error. No issue. Copy your formula, then go to formula tab under define names, name manager, new. Let me name it sum two nums, and here just paste your formula and click OK and close. Now we can use our formula as built-in Excel formula. Let me type some numbers here. Now our formula will be available here, sum two numbers. So we are getting correct number. In this way, you can use your Lambda function in your workbook. Let me explain Lambda with one more example. Here, we will develop a Lambda function to calculate area of a circle. In this column, we have updated radius of circle, and the formula for area of circle is pi r square. We can calculate with simple formula pi into r square. So we can round off if required. So this is the formula. Let us try to develop our own lambda function. So start with lambda, and we need one parameter for radius. Let me keep it as r. Then our formula or calculation, it is pi into r square. And now let us test it. As you can see, we are getting same answer. So our formula is working perfectly fine. So let us make it reusable. Let me copy it and again name manager, new, area of circle, click OK and close it and use it. Area of circle, radius, enter, we are getting same answer. So it was very simple formula. Let us try to develop lambda function for some real world complex formula. Now we will develop lambda function for converting cardinal number to ordinal number. 93 will be 93rd, 46, 46 like that. So let's start. First lambda and parameter, we need one parameter for number. Let me keep it n. So first of all we will check whether the value is number and greater than 0 or not. So if, let me use AND function, is number n and n is greater than 0, then n and now we have to check last two digits and last one digit. For this let me create two variables using let function. Let last one digit, we can use write or mod. If we use write, write is a text function, then I need to convert it to number. So I'm using mod n comma 10 for for getting one digit and last two digits, mod n comma 100. And finally calculation, I'm using ifs here. If last two digits, we can use, and I'm using or here, if or last two digits is equal to, I'm using array constant 11, 12 or 13, then add th. Now if last one digit is equal to 1, then add st. Let me copy it. And if last one digit is equal to 2, then add nd. And if it is 3, then add rd. In all other cases, add th. And in case the value supplied is not number or less than 0, then we will supply this. Now close, and this is the time to test our lambda function. Here let me supply this value, enter. So it is working fine. 46th, 58th, 75th, 97th. So I can now copy my formula from here and again name manager, new ordinal number, Control V, OK, close. Let me use it. Ordinal number 93. It is working perfectly fine. So this is how you can develop your lambda function for complex formula you are using again and again. Please comment how you are planning to use lambda function. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching Number Crunching with Rajesh from jupitersolutions.in.